Hey everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we are going to be discussing how to set custom alarm on your iPhone. First thing that you have to do, you have to visit the clock app on your iPhone. You can search the clock app on your app store or just tap on the big clock on your screen. Now, once you're in there, you just have to tap on the plus sign on the top right of your screen. From here, you can set the alarm time. Now, you can customize it and set it to days, whether if you want to set it the whole week or just one day. Now, I'm going to select the whole week and I'm going to show you how to unselect it. Now, from here, you can also label your alarm as a name. For an example, morning time or Fajr prayer. Easy, right? Now, from here, you can also select the ringtone that you would like for this alarm. Easy, right? See you next time.